Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today's a nice quick easy one. It's just literally how to show how to change your company details within the software. So if I log myself in and go to settings and administration, generally most of these details are the things that actually show up on your receipts or invoices, things like that. So all you need to do is go into the software settings, and most of them, literally the first page it comes up to is here basically. So you've got your company name, you've got your store name, obviously any of your store addresses and anything like that. So all you literally need to do is physically change them. So if you're a multi-store though, what's probably ideal is obviously doing it in the, like for example, the database override section. So then obviously it changes just for that particular store. So that store, whenever you go to that database, you're using the settings and the details. And obviously you can also use a company override for certain things. For example, the company name would generally be a company override throughout your entire company, but obviously the store name could be different, and obviously the addresses are going to be different as well, so you can actually put them in the appropriate areas here, like so. If you need to understand a bit more about these settings, then there's a separate video in the actual YouTube library you can go and check out. That's pretty much it. Nice and simple. So you can change any of the details here, and these generally get reflected within your actual database. If you ever need any help, obviously any logos, any cart designs, that type of stuff, or second screen designs, you can actually contact our support team, and we can obviously help you out with that as well. There's also a couple of videos regarding that as well in our library. So there you have it. Do hope that's been useful. Nice, quick and easy one for you. Take care. See you next time.